Hello students, how do you do? When teacher asks you, how do you do? Then you must say, Alhamdulillah, we all are good, I am good, I am fine. Okay? So today, we are going to understand important names of geometrical figures. Here I write geometrical figures. So here what we will do is I will draw figures, geometrical figures. Suppose you have to identify those figures, identify them, and after identifying those figures there on the blackboard, you have to give the names. You have to tell what figure is that. So here we go with the first one. What's this called?
Point.
This is a point. Well, when I join 2 points, point A and point B, what this figure becomes? This figure is not a line, not sleeping line, of course, not that.
Straight line.
I'll tell you what it is, okay? Now see, very closely. This is called segment. This is called as segment. It's a part. Segment means a part of something. It's a part of a line. It's not the whole line. Now I'll tell you the difference between a segment and a line. Now what I'm going to draw is a line. So if I take point here and point there and I join, but this is not ending, it's continuing. It is continuing both the sides. It is continuing. It's continuing here also and it is continuing here also. It has got 2 arrows. The 2 arrows, they mark the continuation of the line. Then the line is going infinitely this side, infinitely that side. Can somebody tell me what is the symbol for infinite? Symbol. You know symbol? Come and show me. You show me the symbol here and show me the symbol there. Okay. Well done. So this symbol, this representation represents continuity, and this representation is called infinity sign. This is a sign, okay? If you put this sign, it means it is continuing this side and continuing that side, endless this side, endless that side, then this becomes a line. Now this is a line. So you got what is a line and what is a segment? A segment is limited. It ends here also and there also. But a line doesn't end. It just go on going, infinitely this side, infinitely that side, forever. That's called a line. Now next figure. What's your idea about A, B, okay? Now, it has 2 end points. Up till now this is a segment. But one side it just go on continuing to infinity. It's just going on continuously, but here it ends. Or you can say this is starting point. It starts and goes towards B and then continue going, Then what this figure called as? What is this boy? What is this figure called as? Just now that I have drawn. I drew just now a figure. This figure. What is this? You can see clearly the differences. This is different. This is different. This is another different figure. Just think in your mind. I'll give you one hint. I'll give you one hint. Okay. So, what is this called? Yes. So, arrow. This is
Arrow.
a arrow or an arrow. This is a arrow or this is an arrow. If you have knowledge about vowels and consonants, you must be knowing what
An
you
arrow.
An arrow. This is arrow. Okay. So we write here A-R-R-O-W. So what's an arrow?
And.
Arrow is a figure that has a beginning point and it starts and goes on continuously, infinitely, one direction. One direction is goes on, going, starting point, no ending point. This is end point. There's an end point because it's ending here. At the same time, it is beginning from here. You can say starting point. So it has got end point, or you can say beginning, starting point, and it is just going on and on, infinitely. Infinitely. It is not stopping. It's just going on. This is called an arrow. It's an arrow. Well, now I will show you some figures here. You identify and tell me what figure is that. What figure is quickly? You must say quickly, okay? What figure is this? What's the difference between this and this? No difference. Here it is sleeping, here it is standing. One is horizontal, the other is vertical. But if I take this pen, I keep it this way, this is the pen. If I turn it like this, standing position, what will be this? Pen only. This is not going to become something other. This is going to remain pen only. So here also I have just changed the position. Position is changed, but it has got two endpoints, and having two endpoints figure is called as a segment. Okay, what is this? What is this?
Arrow.
And what is this? Okay, so you got it. No. Infinity means it's going infinitely here, infinitely there, but it is called as a line. It's a line. It has got two arrows at both the sides, both the direction. It has got arrows. Okay, next question is what's if I take one arrow in this direction, one arrow in that direction, here in between a gap there in between. What is this figure called? This is called an angle or an angle? An angle. Okay, this is called an angle. So this is which angle? Which angle? From point of view of degree, because we measure angles in degrees. So from point of view of degree, this is acute angle. Why? Why this is acute angle? Why is it acute? It's less than 90, so it's an acute angle. What about this? What about this?
Acute angle.
Yeah, this is same, acute angle. What about this?
Obvious angle. More than 90.
Because this is more than 90. Okay. Now I am writing something. You tell me what I have written. What have I written? You will give name A, B and C. So here we will write. We will write here. Angle ABC. Can you read this? What is this written mathematically? Yes, angle ABC is more than, greater than 90 of this angle. Can somebody tell me how to write this? Can somebody come and write this one mathematically? Come and write. Same how I have written here. I have given him PQR. I have given you the name PQR. How will you represent this? How will you represent acute angle? Yes. You are going the right way. Exactly. How will you read this? How will you read?
Angle PQR less than 90.
Yes, this side is less than. Okay, triangle. Now just move aside. Angle PQR is less than 90 degree. 90 degree. Therefore, it is an acute angle. I am going to draw one more figure here.
Right angle.
Ah, 90 degree. But what 90 degree is called as? In other words, right angle. This is called as right angle. Why you all are shouting? What's the purpose, reason? What's the reason of your shouting? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Okay, come. I want you to draw parallel lines. Parallel lines. So draw over there. Parallel lines. How you draw parallel lines? Yes, but this is a very tiny figure. I want a little big, a little bigger figure. Okay, put these are the segments. I said lines, no? Ah, yes. That's it. Amazing. These are parallel lines. Okay. I will draw one more figure related to lines and segment. You identify the figure. What is this? This see when I draw box, no box means 90 degree. Ah, yeah. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Okay, two lines are perpendicular to each other. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, one more question, general knowledge question. I'll ask you. Let's see if you know the answer. This is one line. Do you all agree? This is another line, and both the lines are cutting each other. What is mathematically cutting called as?
Intersecting line.
Oh, very good. Come here and tell. Come here and show your face and tell. Give the answer to the camera.
Intersecting line.
No, not intersecting.
Sorry, intersecting line.
Come. You correct. She's saying. No. Yes. Say. What is it called? There you say tell.
Intersecting line.
Intersecting lines. Spelling is intersecting lines. Okay. So what are intersecting lines? They cross each other. They cut each other. Another knowledgeable question. another knowledgeable question to this young man. Young man, you tell me, when two lines intersect each other at a point, how many angles do you get? Let me draw a big figure, okay? Let me draw a big figure. I'll just rub out these few of the figures. Well, this is one line, and this is going another line like this. How? This is the intersecting point. Okay, intersecting point. Now how? Intersecting point. How many angles you get when two lines intersect each other? Come here. Count where are the angles. Come here, come on. And say loudly whatever you answer. So how many angles? 4 angles. And how many acute angles and how many obtuse angles there? There are 2 acute angles. When it is acute angle, no, you write down O A, and when it is obtuse, you write O O. When it is acute. That's great. That's great. So this is acute. This is
Obtuse.
obtuse. This is obtuse. This is acute. Okay. That's it. Wonderful. Wonderful. Next time we will study some more interesting geometrical figures. That's all for today. Practice, because practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. Practice again and again and again. And the best way to practice is when you know something, you share your knowledge with your colleagues, with your friends. When you teach, when you explain to somebody, then your knowledge, it grows rapidly. It grows like a plant that is watered, that is given sunlight, that is given fertilizer and a proper place, proper soil, then the plant grows quickly. Likewise, if you teach others after understanding, when you teach others, when you share your knowledge with others, then your knowledge grows rapidly. So what must you do in order to increase your own knowledge? Share your knowledge. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. And knowledge is the only wealth. Knowledge is the only wealth. You give, it grows. You give, it grows, doesn't become less. Okay? Thank you so much for showing your interest in such beautiful geometrical information. Take care. Bye-bye.